Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap Explore Wallet button. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you've got access to your payment cards. You can add payment card, check quick tips, and add passes like transit pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks, manage password manager, manage payments data and passes data, and in wallet settings you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, updates from Google, Pay and Wallet. In the end you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.